Are you tired of struggling with outdated tools? Looking for a way to level up your DIY projects or professional work? Well, you're in luck. Today, we've got something special for you. Get ready to discover 5 incredible tools that will revolutionize the way you work. Tool number 1. The Work Light is a powerful and versatile lighting solution designed for various tasks and environments. With its impressive 2,500 lumens of brightness, it provides excellent illumination for working under the hood of a car, inspecting equipment, or handling emergency situations. The built-in 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery eliminates the need for cords or a nearby power source, allowing for freedom of movement. The Work Light features magnets and hooks, enabling you to securely attach it to metal surfaces or hang it for hands-free operation. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, making it suitable for demanding work environments. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a handyman, or a DIY enthusiast, the Work Light with its brightness, cordless design, magnetic base, and hooks is a must-have tool that enhances productivity and safety in car repairs, inspections, garage work, workshops, and emergencies. Say goodbye to dimly lit spaces and embrace the convenience and functionality of the Work Light for outstanding results. The Screw Extractor is a versatile tool designed to tackle stubborn and damaged screws, bolts, and water pipes. It is specifically designed for removing stripped or broken screws, as well as bolts that are difficult to remove due to damage or corrosion. This dual-use tool is equipped with a water pipe screw removal feature, making it ideal for removing 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch pipes, valves, and faucets. It provides a practical solution for plumbing repairs and renovations. The Screw Extractor is easy to use. Simply insert the tool into the damaged screw or bolt, apply gentle pressure, and rotate it counterclockwise. The specially designed spiral flutes grip the damaged fastener, allowing you to easily extract it without damaging the surrounding material. The Insta Plunge Electric Plunger System is a game-changing tool that simplifies and speeds up the process of unclogging toilets and drains. With a simple push of a button, this innovative system efficiently clears blockages in seconds, saving you time and effort. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn toilet clog or a backed-up shower drain, the InstaPlunge Electric Plunger System provides a quick and effective solution. Gone are the days of struggling with traditional plungers or resorting to harsh chemicals. This electric plunger system harnesses the power of air pressure to generate a strong force that dislodges obstructions and clears the way for smooth drainage. Its user-friendly design and easy operation make it accessible for anyone, whether you're a homeowner or a professional plumber. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs and hello to a hassle-free unclogging experience. The InstaPlunge Electric Plunger System is a must-have tool for maintaining your toilets, showers, and sinks. It offers convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind, ensuring that you can quickly resolve plumbing issues and get back to your daily routine without interruptions. The Mytech Home Vise is a versatile work clamp-on vise that provides a secure and stable grip for various projects. With its universal rotating feature, this vise allows for a 360 degrees rotation, providing optimal flexibility and positioning for your work. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, metalwork, or any other DIY task, the Mytech Home Vise ensures stability and precision. Its clamp-on design allows for easy attachment to workbenches, tables, or any other suitable surface, making it a convenient tool for home workshops or professional settings. The rotating feature of the vise allows you to adjust the angle and position of your workpiece, providing better access and visibility. This enhances your overall productivity and efficiency, as you can work comfortably without having to constantly reposition your project. The Mytech Home Vise is built to last, with a sturdy construction and high-quality materials. It can withstand the demands of heavy-duty tasks, ensuring durability and longevity. The Saker Multi-function Scribing Tool is a versatile and multifunctional tool designed for various construction and woodworking tasks. Made of durable aluminum alloy, this scribe tool offers reliability and longevity. Equipped with a deep hole pencil, the Saker scribing tool allows for precise and accurate marking. Whether you need to scribe lines, mark measurements, or create straight edges, this tool provides exceptional control and visibility. With its multifunctional design, the Saker scribing tool serves as a gauge, scriber, line maker, and measuring tool all in one. It eliminates the need for multiple tools, saving you time and effort during your projects. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, this scribing tool enhances accuracy and efficiency in woodworking, construction, and other applications. Its versatility and sturdy construction make it a reliable companion for various tasks, ensuring precise and consistent results every time.